Hey guys, Joe here, and today I'm just taking a look at the JCALLY, JCALLY, or whatever the heck. This is a tiny little USB-C DAC. So this is just gonna be a quick unboxing, but we'll look at the digits that we've got going on here, to at least so you can see what's going on. It does claim that it has the ALC 5686 codec, which is the same one that the DD Hi-Fi little dongle uses. So I'm going to be using this to test a couple of things out, but right now I just want to unbox it. So I need to get my unboxing knife, you know. You always need your smallest unboxing knife for these things. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, not much there. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And around the box it just says, insist to do your acoustic brand of high quality and reasonable price. I'm sure that means something somewhere. And ta-da, that's it. That's everything you get. Go ahead and pop this out of the plastic. I'll hold this up here and let it focus. There you can see what it claims that it is and what it claims it can do. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on this side. USB Type-C on this side. Other than that, you get a little tiny warranty and rules. And that's it. So that's the end of the unboxing. Thanks for watching.
Is that camera still running?